it. And for the entire Phoenix team, I'd like to let you know that 7 minutes of terror is going to be followed by 3 months of joy. So we really appreciate it. One other comment, one of the press conferences we've had lately, we talked about the first images, those boring pictures that we'd see, those boring engineering pictures. We're tired of seeing solar arrays and things like that. So we figured we'd start this press conference with another boring engineering picture that's been taken recently, and we can't credit Phoenix for this image. Can I have this picture, please? What you see here I'll put that back up again, please, but what you see here is a spectacular image taken by the MRO orbiter, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, by the HiRISE instrument operated by Alfred McEwen at the University of Arizona, of Phoenix on the parachute through its descent phase. You can see the Mars polygonal terrain in the background. The big white, what appears to be white at the top, is the parachute. If you look closely, you can see what look like little white lines going down. Those are the risers from the parachute. The aeroshell holding the lander is actually the smaller white dot at the bottom. Now, this is a very raw image. It's just been taken. There's a lot of work to be done on this. This is going to be much sharper and a much better image once it gets through some image processing, but this is a spectacular image. And speaking for the engineering team, this is equivalent to the first images of landing. This is an engineer's delight. So I know you don't like our engineering images, but we are delighted, and we thought we'd lead off with that. Can I have this animation? We'll give you an idea how this image was taken. What you see here is MRO coming in orbit. The view angle shown by that box is actually the camera angle as well as our UHF radio. And it's following Phoenix into the orbit, and that went very fast, but it fades to our image of the lander coming through the atmosphere. So this was quite an engineering feat. And I have to be frank with everybody here. When this was first proposed, I was very skeptical. I was very skeptical if this was possible or not, and I tipped my hat to the MRO team and all the engineers who convinced me not to talk them out of it. So spectacular image, and I want to congratulate the entire MRO team for pulling this off.